Today we are visiting Textile Valley. Just one metro station away from my homestay. Qingdao Textile Valley started at 1930s as a cotton mill, churning out fabrics for decades. Now it's a gritty, cool art zone. Rusty machines mingle with hip cafes. Graffiti splashes over old walls. And creatives turn history into Instagram gold. Imagine a factory that retired to become a rock star. This is the museum inside the park. You can do shopping here. Try out barbecue or hot pot. With the vintage atmosphere. There's a jump park here. Let's take a look inside. Fun cafes and bars with live bands also can be found here. Upcoming is my Airbnb studio. My Airbnb studio called Sunny Cove Homestay, located in the center of Qingdao. Available on booking.com. Designed for free and easy travelers. Host is keen with providing you all the local info. Leave a comment here, ask me anything.